Working at height is one of the most high-risk activities across industries. Safety isn't just important, it's essential. That's why Inspire College of Technologies brings you the Qualsafe Level 2 Award in Working at Height, RQF, a regulated qualification designed to keep you and your team safe. Qualsafe is an awarding body recognized and approved by Ofqual regulated to develop and award qualifications. Inspire College of Technologies is proud to be an approved training center of Qualsafe, delivering trusted, high-quality training that meets industry standards. The Qualsafe Level 2 Award in Working at Height, RQF, provides learners with essential knowledge to identify risks, apply safety legislation, and implement protective measures. This qualification is designed to reduce accidents, improve workplace safety. To achieve the qualification, learners must complete 1 mandatory unit, 3 guided learning hours, and covers the fundamental principles of safe working practices, risk management, and compliance with legal requirements. This course is ideal for construction workers, maintenance personnel, supervisors and managers, health and safety representatives, new employees involved in work at height, contractors. By completing this qualification, you'll not only enhance your career prospects but also contribute to a culture of safety in your workplace. For registration or more information, please visit www.inspirecollege.co.uk or www.ictqual.co.uk. Call us on 442035764371 or WhatsApp us on 44744139671. Email us at info@ictqual.co.uk.